best thing about working at the Savoy for me as the carpenter is the mix of the jobs and the quality of work, the time and materials that I can spend on things. Each person specialises at their own thing. When I'm thinking about my personal builds, I can bring all that into it. We do a lot of work with the florists. We talk about the build as a whole, but what they do with it after that, it's just, I can't really comprehend, and they did an amazing job with it. It is quite strange to be walking like up in the main hall and you're seeing people taking photos of all your jobs and coming in just to see it. It does make you feel very proud to work here. It's been really good fun. Like, I really enjoy not just the mix of things, but the styles of things. Like, I never thought I'd ever build a bar or a cheese trolley. It's good to be a bit creative and go a different way with your building. It's just kind of unlocked a whole different world of kind of creativity and carpentry to me, and I've loved it. A lot of my work, I've just got to be careful to get the right mix into it, and that's something which I'm always careful of, is not to go super modern, because that's not what people are after. Carpentry at the Savoy in the years to come, it is changing. I mean, the tools are getting better, the materials are getting better, so we've really got to embrace the next years, and we go to places to see what materials are coming on the market to make sure I've got the best tools, because that's what keeps us ahead.